In this video, I'll guide you through how to add and change Facebook page admin and owner. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and like this video. First, to log in Facebook on your computer, then click on your profile. Then click on settings and then page setups. Now you need to click on page recommendation and then manage admin. To add an admin on your Facebook page, you need to click on add new. Then click on next. Now search for your admin Facebook account and select it. If you want to give full control of your Facebook page, then you need to enable this and click on give access. Now type your Facebook password and click on confirm button. Then Facebook will send you a verification code on your mail. Now open your mail, get the verification code and paste it here. Now click on continue button. Now if you want to delete an admin from your Facebook page, and then you need to come to this page first and click on share icon and then click on delete button. By following this easy tutorial, you can easily add and change Facebook page admin owner.